Hello besties, watch me as I make this beautiful and foamy soup with just 2 ingredients. Alright, so we're going to dive into the measurement. So your measurement is very important when it comes to soap making. Your measurement is very important. So I will dive into measuring my chemicals, my caustic soda, my oil and my water to make my lye solution. Now, lye solution is the key ingredient in soap making, and it acts as a catalyst in the saponification process, and it reacts with fat and oil to create soap. Without lye solution, soap cannot be made. Measure that caustic soda, and I'm going to drop the measurements at the end of this video, so do well to watch to the end of this video. Now we are measuring in our water. Soap making is a fun hobby, but it needs to be taken seriously and also take precaution. Always wear your hand glove, your face mask, your eye goggle for protection. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will mean a lot to me. Like this video so that YouTube can push it out in order to get to others. By choosing your oil for production, try to know the properties of the oil, the one that hardens faster and the one that leathers very well. We are going to make our lye solution. When making lye solution for a soap recipe, please always pour the caustic soda slowly into the water. Always pour the caustic soda slowly into the water and not the other way around. Make sure to leave it to cool down for at least 1 hour. If you pour water or other liquid into caustic soda, the mixture will generate a vigorous reactions, which is not good for your health. So we are going to dive in properly into the production. We are done with our measurements and we're going to go into the production properly. So this is our oil, the oil we have measured out already. Now we're going to pour in our caustic soda into the oil. Remember, you're going to pour in your caustic soda, not the other way around. As you can see, the soap is already forming a trace already. We are going to do this fast so that we'll be able to transfer it into our mold. So when making your preparation, make sure you keep everything that you will be needing around so that it will be easy for you to get in touch when you need any of them. Stir vigorously until your soap form a trace. Keep stirring your production and make sure your mold is already available so that you can be able to transfer your production into your mold so that it's not sticking in your mixing bowl. So the consistency of how you stir your soap will determine how the smoothness when it solidifies. We're going to transfer in our soap into our mold. We don't want to waste time so that the soap will not thicken. As you can see, it's already thickening already. So we're transferring it into our mold. Whichever mold you have, you can make use of it. Silicone mold, wooden mold, anyone that you have available, you can make use of it. After you transfer your soap into the mold, make sure you smoothen in your soap so that it will look nice. The outcome will look nice, the surface will look nice. After smoothing our soap, we're going to allow it to solidify for 24 hours. Now this is the final outcome of our soap. After 24 hours, our soap have solidified and is ready to use. So we are going to unmold it to see how our soap looks like. This soap lathers very well and it foams very well. We're going to use it and we're going to see how it's going to foam when making use of it. So you can try this recipe and trust me, you're going to love it. It's going to work perfectly for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get notification when I drop the next video. If you have any question or anything that you do not understand, you can drop it at the comment section and I will reply you and give you the answer to it. So if you want to learn more about soap making, you can message me directly. I have a class where I teach people different recipes on how to get a good soap, the ones that foams very well, lathers well, and also the one that is profitable. So feel free to message me if you want to join my class. Thank you for watching.